Hello, detailers! Today is our first detailing practice video. I don't have so much experience in real-life video filming.
I am Melinda's mother.
Okay,
She is not coming.
all right,
And I want you to know that what's going on here is just not happening anymore.
okay.
But hope you will enjoy and support this video. This could be a place for your advertisement. But for now, it's time for you to hit the like button and subscribe. I was casually maintaining chrome moldings on the car's front grille. Until halfway finishing it, I realized that I have a detailing YouTube channel, and it would be a great idea to share this simple way of car chrome care. So let's get to it. I noticed that the front grille chrome lost its mirror shine even after a deep wash. As well, with a closer look, you can see these unsightly dots. And here you can notice some spots. It's hard to identify the origin of these dots. If it's tree sap, some bugs remain, or chrome oxidation. But all it means is we need to go step by step and remove all the contaminants most safely. At first, I tried to remove them with a quick detailer. Now I'm using this one. It's polymer-based, has a reasonable price, and is a 24 ounces bottle. I'm using it for different use cases, except for the main paint coat, as the car is protected with liquid hybrid ceramic wax. And using the same quick detailer looks like a better idea. I use this one for my indoor experiments, so I can say it will be a great option for those with polymer-based wax on the car. However, for these contaminants, it showed little to no effectiveness, of course, except spending 20 minutes on useless detailing and smelling this pleasant quick detailer's scent. Then I decided to move on to heavier tools, an alkaline cleaner, another word, all-purpose cleaner. It is supposed to deal perfectly with organic contaminants, so if it's bugs or fresh tree sap, these dots will be gone. I'm using concentrated APC, so those who are looking to save some money, it will be a great option to consider. Diluting it with distilled water in 1:10 proportion will give you the same all-purpose cleaner as this one. Okay, so I forgot my premix solution in my car, so I will dilute it in a cap. Don't make it the same way. Okay, make it the same way only when you forget your APC. Well, all I can say is that it's not an organic contaminant either. All it means it's time to use my secret weapon. I don't believe in magic, but sometimes I have to use wizard's services. No, I'm talking about this one. This, at first glance, sweet-looking pink cotton is a favorite detailing product of tattooed, long-bearded, brutal bikers. And they love it not because it's pink and reminds them of cotton candies from their childhood.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
They love it because it fixes their motorcycle's chrome, and it makes it so good that many detailers start to believe in magic. I'm not a master in chemistry, but as I understood, it's a cotton filled with some secret chemicals that are safe and effectively remove contaminants, fading, oxidation, and cloudiness from chrome. The product is pretty safe to use, however. There are some precautions, like not using it on silver or gold-plated surfaces, show chrome, and yes, obviously eating it is dangerous for your life. The difference of modern chrome is that it's a plastic trim covered with chrome. We all got used to old-school metal chrome, and everyone knows that to fix it, you need metal polish. However, when you see imperfections on plastic chrome, your brain does not allow you to use metal polish on plastic. It sounds wrong, but nowadays, most chrome trim is made out of plastic. So chrome polish brands would state bankruptcy if they wouldn't adapt their products for use on plastic chrome. I'm not a chrome expert, but plastic and metal are chrome plated differently. But the final coating also has metals like copper, nickel, and chrome. So you will be polishing metal on the plastic trim. If you have some experience in chrome plating, let us know in the comments if I'm right or wrong and how it's made. I'm sure it will be useful for everyone. If a manufacturer does not warn you against using it on plastic chrome, this metal polish should fit your plastic chrome. But still, don't forget to check on some hidden chrome areas before polishing the whole chrome part. I used it for the first time on my old alloy rims. I was not sure if it would work, but eventually it did a great job. Here are some photos before and after. I did not expect those days to have a detailing channel, so sorry, no video, only photos. As you can see, while you are working with it, the cotton turns black, which means that the product starts working. You don't see it on video because I forgot to record this cotton after I finished polishing, but trust me, it turned black. For such contaminants, hopefully, I don't need to rub it for too long, so I can finish the whole grill pretty quickly. As you can see, I used it only on plastic moldings, and it works fantastic. You can see the difference. It removed most dots and returned insane shine to the chrome. Here are some before and after, so the difference will be even more visible. Also, here you can see a huge difference between a flashlight and sunlight. Here comes the swirls. As you can see, it fixed most swirls too, but I guess it just filled it with a protective coating, so they are less visible now. So following my detailing golden rule, we should clean it then protect it. Now it's time to protect it. But wait a minute, there is another reason I love this product. While it removes contaminants, it also protects the surface. So we are done. Now I can put it back, enjoy driving my car, and catch some new contaminants. Well done! This metal polish is one of the products I told about in my beginner detailing arsenal video. It's for specific needs, and yet it's not the cheapest thing for working only with chrome and metal, knowing that modern cars are made out of plastic. However, this thing works best with chrome. It cleans it safely, and as well it protects the surface. It has low product waste. I have had this one for like 5 years, so even if you don't have a lot of chrome on your car, like I do, it will be a smart purchase. Keeping your chrome in mint condition attracts women's attention. At least I hope so. The second thing, check the price of new chrome moldings for your car, even one piece, and tell me that the price of this metal polish is high. As well, guys, I have an idea for a new video format, something like a subscriber's weekly detailing tip, where people around the world will share videos about their favorite detailing products or techniques. I will pick the most interesting ones and will post them every Friday, so other subscribers can test them during the weekend. If you want to share your detailing tip or favorite product, add me on Facebook and share your video there. I will post it with all necessary attributions to your social profiles, website, etc. So that's it for today. Don't forget to take care of your chrome trim. It's easy, but protects your pocket from insane spending. Thanks for watching and have a lovely detailing, folks.